Welcome, today in front of me REALME C30 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here ring and notification volume panel, and just to change here to mute your device notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side this white dot. But by this way you'll mute not only your notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones but you want to mute only notifications, I suggest you to unmute this volume panel, and after that just select default notification sound section and switch your currently sound just to none, then just tap here to OK, and that's it. So by this way we will mute our notifications but we will stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.